In this video, the learning target is going to be for you to be able to add and subtract like radicals. Now, if you recall the following, if I had given you the problem to simplify, like 2x minus 6x, you'd have no problem just saying, hey, that's 2 minus 6, that's negative 4x. Those are like terms. If I gave you like 2x squared minus 6x, you would say, well, can't do anything there because these are not like terms. The variable part is x squared and here it's x. That's close, but it's not quite good enough. So, we can't simplify that. Like radicals work the same exact way. So for instance, if I gave you 2/4 roots of, let's say, 5 minus 6/4 roots of 5, you'll notice in these two terms the radical part is identical, meaning the index is both 4 and the radicand is 5. They're both the same, so I am allowed to subtract the coefficients 2 minus 6 to get negative 4, and then the radical part stays exactly the same. It'd be still the 4th root of 5. In much the same way, when we did this problem, we didn't change the variable, right? It was still just an x that was there. Let's look at another example. What if I gave you something like this? If I gave you 2/4 roots of 2 minus, let's do the 4th root of 32. I think that will work. Now here, I can't subtract these because the 4 radical 2 is not exactly, the 4th root of 2 is not the same as the 4th root of 32. They're both 4th roots, but the radicands aren't the same. But what you might be able to do is simplify one or both of them so that they are the same. So this one I'm stuck with 2/4 root 2. I can't pull anything out of there, but 32, I think you'll agree there's really 5 2's being multiplied together. That's 2 to the 5th, or if you will, it's 2 to the 4th times a 2. So if that's all in the 4th root, I am allowed to pull out a 2, so it could be minus 2, and then I'm left with the 4th root of 2 inside. So I have 2/4 roots of 2 minus 2/4 roots of 2. These now match, and I'm allowed to do 2 minus 2, which is 0/4 roots of 2. And of course, 0 times anything is just 0. I get 0 for that one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can add and subtract like radicals after having watched this. Good luck with your practice.